Love his voice. Now, if you know D'Angel, she's always working on her next big project. We passed through the set of her latest video to see what's up.
You know, if D'Angel doing a music video, what after there is the behind the scenes of her latest Good Girl.
Goody, goody, good girl. Goody, good girl.
Yes, and I'm right here at the Ashay Company shooting the body video. The production turn up it low to it.
Beauty and sexy. Money alone stress me. So come off of my phone, stop text me.
Well, I'm Brand Marlon Anthony, and yeah, I'm the choreographer for Good Girl.
Explain to people exactly what a choreographer does.
So you know, like how you have a writer, and a writer writes storybook. So I'm a writer of dance. So basically, I'm telling the story through movement.
Good girl, you want your own money.
I'm Shay.
Hi, they call me Leah.
And what exactly are your roles today?
I'm a dancer. I'm a performer.
Feelings in my carry like market bag.
D'Angel video shoot, have you ever worked with her before?
I have not. I'm, working with her for the first time. It is so fun. It's amazing and she's hilarious.
Take you off for the field, on the bench, you feel bill.
D'Angel video shoot full of Good Girl. What go on?
Goody good girl talking to you right now. You know, it's the girl Pinky Finks. Yes, and I'm here on set of the Angels video shoot.
Oh, you enjoy it?
I'm having fun.
Girl with class, I'm in
D'Angel, you always find some sign. I want it have a little sexy appeal. I want to go on there, sir.
And for the good girl them, man, for the independent good girl them, you know, say, you not depend on no man. The boy don't own a few. So the boy can't do nothing. You're independent, you can step out, you can own your independence. Yeah, this song is all about that.
the way girl on the river. Let the money flow constant.
From you say D'Angel, you know you have to say Good Girl.